Did you know you can start your baby on a daily routine as early as their first weeks? You will need to mostly follow their lead to determine when it's time for them to eat, sleep, or change into a fresh diaper. But at the same time, you can establish and follow the same order of steps each day. A consistent routine benefits both you and your infant. In this series of videos, we share advice on how to make the daily process smooth and enjoyable. Learn how a morning routine can have a positive impact on your baby's day. Discover tips on how to create and maintain a well-organized changing area to simplify the diaper changing process. Find out different ways you can help your baby get the sleep they need as they gradually regulate their natural rhythms. These tips and more are available in this collection of videos focused on establishing a daily routine for babies during their first 3 months.
Don't lose any more sleep over a solution to getting your baby to the land of Nod. To get your baby to dreamland, establish a soothing ritual. Mother to 3-month-old Cody has noticed that he gets easily worked up by the late evening. She finds a time when he's tired without being overwrought, and she starts their bedtime ritual. First, she tells him it's getting close to bedtime. Second, she changes his diaper, reads him a book in the family room, then she gives him his bottle in his bedroom where he can see his bassinet. Finally, she puts him down in his bed before he falls asleep so that he falls asleep not in her arms but in the place where he will wake. When he cries, she assures him that she is nearby and lays a comforting hand on his chest before she leaves the room. Relying on a routine will help your baby drift off in no time.
Want to learn how you can make feedings even more special for you and your baby? Try using them as an opportunity to connect. Here, 12-week-old Atticus's mom prepares to feed her son. She has created a comfortable, inviting space free from distractions so she can focus on her son during this special bonding time. Before, during, and after each feeding, Mom makes eye contact with Atticus and talks with him. Mom has everything she needs within reach so she can concentrate on feeding him without interruption. Mom is tempted to bring a book or her phone to the feeding area, but knows her son's brain development benefits from her undivided attention. Since you likely spend a lot of time throughout the day feeding your baby, use this time to connect. Avoid any distractions so you can focus on making eye contact and talking with your little one. This will make your child feel reassured, loved, and protected. Do you want to help your child develop their ability to concentrate and focus? Concentration is a skill your child will need throughout life for learning and completing tasks. You can support your little one's ability to focus by providing engaging activities and minimizing distractions. At times when 12-week-old Atticus is alert and content, his mom offers him an activity that will spark his interest, such as this brachiation triangle. The bright colors and shapes dangling from the overhead mobile grab his attention as he tries to reach for the objects. Mom stays nearby, but she makes great effort not to interrupt her son when he concentrates on an activity. She believes it's important to protect his concentration. His intense focus signifies that Atticus is working on developing his mind and body. You can help build and support your child's concentration by offering them engaging activities and minimizing distractions. Choosing diapers shouldn't leave you feeling high and dry. Instead, consider which type is best suited for your child's skin as well as your family's budget and lifestyle. Here, 8-week-old Michael's mom prepares to change her son's diaper. She likes the convenience and cost of disposable diapers, which keep Michael dry and prevents leaks in between changes. She carefully chooses diapers that fit her son comfortably and allow him to move freely. Though they typically cost more money up front, cloth diapers are cheaper in the long run. Another point to consider is that cloth diapers can make the transition to pottying easier since children experience the wet sensation. Whatever you choose, one or the other, or even a combination, focus on the needs of you and your child. Have you ever considered how your child's daily movements impact their development? Those constant leg kicks and arm flaps have a purpose. They're building the muscles your child needs for mobility, so it's important to give your child plenty of opportunities to move, stretch, reach, and exercise. 12-week-old Atticus's mom has created a safe, comfortable area where he can move about freely. At this stage, Atticus is instinctively working on developing the core muscles he'll need to roll, sit up, and crawl. He's also learning to control his arms and hands for reaching and grasping. Mom provides toys that engage his interest and encourage him to move, like an overhead mobile and rattles and balls that are placed just out of his reach. A nearby mirror hung low will allow Atticus to see himself as he learns his new skills. Ensure your child has plenty of opportunities to play and move freely on the floor as they develop their movements. Have you considered how your baby's morning routine can impact the rest of their day? Maintaining a consistent set of morning activities contributes to them feeling confident and safe as they start their day. To help regulate 12-week-old Haley's sleep schedule, Mom wakes her up at the same time each morning. Once she's awake, Mom carries her to a hygiene area, equipped with all the items Mom needs to clean Haley's face, brush her hair, and wipe her gums. Eventually, Haley will be able to carry out these familiar steps on her own after she wakes up. After she's all groomed, Mom changes Haley's diaper, feeds her, and gives her time to move freely and play. These morning rituals make Haley's daily routine feel predictable, providing a sense of calm for her. Give your morning some structure by following a set of activities each day to prepare your infant for the day ahead. Mundane daily tasks that you may take for granted, such as getting dressed, are brand new experiences chock full of lessons for your baby. The way you dress and undress your baby can convey respect to your little one and help them develop new vocabulary. When Mom changes 8-week-old Michael's clothes, she explains each step of the process to her son as she removes his outfit and puts on a new one. Telling him that she is lifting his shirt over his head or pulling his sleeves off his arms before she begins demonstrates respect to Michael. This way, Mom involves Michael in the act of getting undressed and dressed. He also becomes familiar with the words that describe his body parts and clothing. Help develop your baby's self-respect and teach them new words by involving them in the process of changing their clothes. Like little scientists, babies use keen observation to learn about the world. How can you support your baby's natural desire to investigate their surroundings? Though it may not look like 1-month-old Nathan is learning, he unconsciously absorbs every sight, sound, smell, and texture. His mom has created a comfortable, safe area where Nathan can lay down and take in what's going on around him. She also provides engaging toys and colorful objects to captivate Nathan's attention. She does not interrupt her son when he's engrossed in a sight or sound. This way, he can develop his concentration and make new discoveries on his own, which is truly the best way for Nathan to learn. Support your baby's innate desire to investigate their surroundings by providing interesting views, sounds, and textures. And remember, even the tiniest explorer needs to focus without interruption.
Keeping your child in a constant routine can seem like a challenge for families who are busy and on the go, but starting your baby's consistent day schedule from the moment you bring the little one home can make this more accessible. It's never too early to start setting up your child for successful growth. Maintaining a schedule to develop a routine for the baby will benefit the child's concept of sleep in the long run. This means uninterrupted nights for mom and dad. By eating and sleeping at consistent times each day, your baby will better adapt to life out of the womb and take comfort in its familiarity. When your child finds comfort in a routine and a space, such as their bedroom, the infant will be easier to calm later in their life when other challenges occur.